Hi, I'm Richard.
And I'm Jen.
And we live in Duffy in Western Creek in Canberra.
We have 3 boys. 2 of them are now adults. We also have a dog, Charlie, who the boys love spending time with as well. What I love about my bedroom is who I share it with, but I also love the fact that we've got great big windows and that lets the nature in. Our bedroom is the one room in the house that we haven't done anything to.
There is just so much in here. It's hard to move. We don't know where anything is. There's nothing much that I do like about it.
I think one of the frustrations is the wardrobe. Because I'm short and because Richard's tall, it actually doesn't work for either of us.
Tell them about the curtains.
Well, the curtains, we can't really move the curtains much at all because of the clutter, but also because of the way the curtain rod is.
I'm really looking forward to having a bedroom that is a bedroom, not a storage room. It's a bedroom that has everything in its place and we can just enjoy it for what it's meant to be.
I couldn't believe it. This really is our place. It just looks amazing. Before, this really was like a storage room, and now look at it. It's light, it's airy, and there's just space to think and just be.
And we love these lights. They look great. They also charge our phones, which we use as our alarm clocks in the morning, so perfect.
I love the way you open the doors and the light just comes on and ta-da, there's everything. I can find anything now. It's just amazing actually. When everything has a home, it really does make a difference.
My ties are organised. I'm not OCD. A place for everything and everything in its place. This is our room.
It's the sanctuary we're looking for. It's never been this peaceful and this lovely to be in before.